Hi, today I'm going to show you how to draw vertical and horizontal lines in Inkscape. It can be really useful in any kind of graphic projects. So first I recommend you to do is go to View and select here Page Grid. Now you can see the grid and you will not have the doubt that the line is not straight. So now you need to select from the left panel Pencil tool, and I will zoom in this page by holding Ctrl and scroll. Now you need to click on the one of the corner of the grid, and now we can draw the line, yeah? But if you want to be sure that the line is straight, I recommend you to hold Ctrl button, because after that you can easily draw the straight line, because it allows you rotating only by 15 degrees, yeah? So it is really helpful. So for example, I will click here, and like you see, my line is successfully created here. So now if you want to draw the vertical line, you need to follow the same rules. So I will click here, and then I hold Ctrl and go down. Now I will click here, and like you see, our lines have been successfully created here. Remember about that you can easily edit these lines. For example, you can change color and other settings by going to Objects and selecting here Fill and Stroke. After that you need to go to Stroke Style, and you can edit here width or other settings. If you want to change color, you can go to Stroke Paint, and you can change it from here, yeah? So it is really useful if you want to edit the color of the lines. And it's everything in this video. If I helped you to edit lines in Inkscape, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my recordings.